Hello there! Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of blockchain and explore how it can revolutionize the way companies address sustainability across 5 critical dimensions, as outlined by the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board. Welcome to Ionetics. As we know, sustainability is a pressing global issue, and companies play a pivotal role in driving positive change. Let's see how blockchain can be a game changer in this regard. First off, in terms of environment, blockchain can enable companies to create transparent, immutable records of their environmental impact data. This can include information on resource usage, waste management, emissions, and more. By leveraging blockchain's secure and transparent nature, companies can accurately track and verify their environmental practices, ensuring compliance with sustainability goals and regulations. Moving on to social conditions, blockchain can foster transparency and trust by enabling companies to track and verify their social impact initiatives. This can include efforts related to human rights, community development, philanthropy, and ethical marketing practices. By leveraging blockchain, companies can provide verifiable evidence of their social responsibility efforts, building trust with stakeholders, and demonstrating their commitment to social causes. Furthermore, blockchain can play a crucial role in ensuring labor conditions are fair and transparent. Companies can use blockchain to create digital records of employee wages, working conditions, and safety measures, providing a secure and verifiable system for monitoring labor practices. This can help prevent labor exploitation and promote fair labor practices, creating a more equitable work environment. When it comes to business model and innovation, blockchain can facilitate traceability and accountability throughout the supply chain. Companies can use blockchain to create transparent records of their sustainability innovations, such as product efficiency, responsible sourcing, and end-of-life disposal. Lastly, in terms of leadership and governance, blockchain can enhance transparency and integrity in corporate governance. Companies can use blockchain to create immutable records of their compliance with regulations, conflicts of interest, and anti-corruption measures. This can provide a verifiable system for stakeholders to ensure that companies are being run ethically and responsibly. Thanks for watching.